Okay, here we go. Gonna try some high stakes on Lightning Link. See what we can do here. Get some spinning and winning going. There we go. A little something. Hey, not much at all. Well, let's try that again. Oh, there's a case and a couple of chips. See if we can't get that chip bonus. The hold and spin quick. Fast tap there. There we go. A little more. Well, the gentleman was sitting here playing this machine a few minutes before me, and he fed it pretty good, so I'm hoping it's ready to give me some of his money. I hate to say that, but sometimes when people play the machine a lot, you're just fortunate to walk up after them and hit a bonus. Not like that hasn't ever happened to me. I watched one lady jackpot on a $1,500 2 spins after I left the machine. Whether I would have hit that or she wouldn't have hit it, had I moved, never know. It's all random. Alright, well, I'm trying to bring you guys a bonus here. Not much is happening. Let's keep going and see what happens. Oh, alright. Here we go. Do another fast tap. Oh, alright. Come on. Let's get a bonus here. Oh, a little something. Keep me playing. We're almost $25 in on this machine. If I don't see a bonus here in the next 3-4 spins, I think we'll move over to... There we go. Just in time. Got the briefcase bonus. So let's see what we can do here, guys. Alright, here we go. Come on, line them up. As Brian Christopher would say. Oh, not much happening here. Come on. Oh, need something to happen. Come on. Come on, let's go. Give me that chip. There we go. Got the hold and spin. Not a big chip, but let's see what we can do here, guys. All right, let's get this party started. I'm up for some spinning and winning. Okay, hit it. There we go. Get a little chip in there. Come on, give me some chips. All right, hit it. Oh, I saw the miner go by. It's worth 50. For the mini. Come on, hit it. Keep me alive. See that mini flying by there, guys? Come on, hit it. I need that mini to... Oh, shoot. Oh, well. Little something. It'll keep me playing a while. Look at that. We got $11.25. Not a big bonus, but a bonus. That, I'm going to help it along a little bit. Get back. Got a couple more free spins. Maybe we can get another chip or free spin. Oh, that's the end of the feature. Okay, guys, that wasn't that exciting, but we'll carry on. I think I'm going to move over to another winning slot machine.